All right, so check this out. We're back at 144. In today's video, we're gonna basically start at Shannonville, which was a private day in Canada to drift with all the boys. Josiah had us out, Adam, Jimmy, Grant, yada, 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 Luke Fink. And then we're gonna get onto this GR FDF. So Adrian's gonna walk us through some of the talking points on the actual GR's FDF kit. And then we're gonna check out FDF's actual shop when we were up in Canada. We got some B-roll to show you guys. So yeah, let's dive into today's video. FDF, everything.
So welcome to Shannonville. I hope you have a great afternoon and look forward to seeing you guys today.
So yeah, that Shannonville track was gnarly, dude. It was super fast. Got to give some of the team rides. Hope you guys enjoyed those clips from when we were ripping at Shannonville. Now we're back at the shop. We got Adrian. Wanted to introduce Adrian, of course. You guys know Adrian. They say, always listen to Adrian. I've seen that in the comments the other day. No way. Yeah, they're just like, always listen to Adrian. So Adrian's gonna walk us through this FDF kit, talk about some front, talk about some rear, some adjustments that we're gonna be able to do. There's obviously things we need to like kind of work on and finish for actual testing. But anyways, Adrian's gonna take this thing over.
What's up, guys? In the works of building this car, we haven't really gotten to touch too much on the angle kit stuff and the suspension side of things, just because we've been working so hard on the interior, we're working on the engine, lots of those things. But now that we're back from FDF, I've just kind of been obsessed over all the billet. We got to see how it was made, and now we get to see what it looks like on our car. All right, so for the kit itself, we have onboard adjustment for caster. We have onboard adjustment for camber. That's something we don't have on the 240, which is really cool. We're working out some kinks for the tie rod pickup point. That way we can adjust and make our geometry for the tie rods as straight as possible. That's something that's working in the prototype stuff. And then we have lightweight Willwood brakes here, two-piece rotors, BCER coilovers. We still have to get these adjusted with Cody, but we just need a shorter shock body and maybe a relocation for the external reservoir. And that pretty much completes the front.
And some of those highlights were the wheel bearings. It's like these are the same hubs from the 240. So we're using 350, 370Z hubs, which also makes it a 5x114. So the wheels transfer over from the 240 to the GR, and the actual hubs transfer over from Z's, which we can go get at parts stores. It's like a custom kit that we feel like fits the market the best, and it matches our 240, so when we're on track, things can compare. But yeah, that front's pretty stacked, dude.
Cool, let's get to the rear. So for the rear, same thing as the front. We have 350, 370Z hubs, our Willwood lightweight brake calipers, and the two-piece rotors. And we have our FDF everything in the back. Obviously, it's all billet. And so the cool thing about this is with the travel, this is how the active toe and grip kit works all together. So as we go up in, so this would be stoic. We would adjust our toe here for our stoic toe, and then up here would be similar to the same, and then as we let off throttle, it will toe in, shooting him forward. And how we change that is this front tie rod. This is how we adjust our stoic toe, and this will also help with the off throttle grip. So that's really cool to see all of that work together. Obviously the upper and lower control arm will give us our camber and how wide we want our track width. So that'll help a lot with the alignment, the baseline, and we'll be able to get as close to good fitment as possible, because that's super important.
I was asking Adrian, hey Adrian, tell us about your experience at FDF. So like when we went to FDF, it was late, it was chaotic, Drift Games was there, we all were there kind of mingling around and getting this kind of like tour, if you will. There was a lot to see and a lot to take in, but then I wanted to know like how Adrian felt when he got to tour it.
So yeah, I got to meet the machinist there. I also talked to him a lot. His name's Dylan. I got to see what his work life is like, and he's the one that does all the billet stuff. They have all these Haas machines. You got to see it all get cut out and how precise and all the attention to detail that gets put into these components. I got to see the Corvette for the first time, and that thing is a rocket ship. So I thought that was really cool.
Yeah, straight up. Josiah took us through and he was like, here's the computer, here's where it starts, here's the 40 parts that it takes to make this kit. He can adjust them, walk out to the water jet, cut another option, send it off through the machines, through the hosses, through the powder coating, and then onto our car. So like, it was really cool, dude. It was cool to check that whole shop out. And obviously the Shannonville was a good time too, so.
You know what else they have, bro?
Oh, they had a sim!
They do.
They're just basically
budget.
trying to talk me into buying a sim, dude.
Yeah.
Whatever, see y'all next episode.